Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ESR HaloLock. It's a kickstand wireless charger with MagSafe-Compatible. It's a charger for Apple iPhone 13 and 13 Pro, 13 mini and 13 Pro Max. Of course, the MagSafe is available for the 12 Pro and 12 mini and 12 Pro Max too. That means it's compatible with all the iPhones from 2020 and 2021. Of course, you can dock another iPhone on it, but it will not work with the really nice MagSafe, because the MagSafe is only from the version of 2020 on the market. And here it comes, and it is so nice. It docked in position, and then it will reload our smartphone immediately. After a couple of seconds, of course. With 5 feet removable cable. That's awesome. It's available in black and white. And it's MagSafe-compatible. This MagSafe-compatible wireless charger is compatible with the iPhone 13 and 12 series phones. Faster and easier. Better heat management lets us charge the awesome iPhone 13 from 0 to 100% in only 2.5 hours. And we can get more family FaceTime while we charge with built-in kickstand that's there when we need it and falls away when we don't. And a long removable 5 feet USB-C cable gives us the freedom to move around while charging or ditch the cable for a portable stand. It comes with a sleek and stylish aluminium body. It gives us a durability with a premium feeling. And it's not only a feeling, it is a really nice thing. What is ESR? ESR is founded in 2009. It is a global tech company creating simple, effective and innovative mobile accessories. From the 110 patents to the award-winning design in both form and function, the products make connecting with technology more intuitive. And they are driven to help people find better ways to interact with technology by creating product that makes tech easier to use. That's right. It's fast and easy wireless charging, on-demand kickstand included, and a 5 feet USB-C cable. That's awesome. And it's small and portable. Everything goes here easy. And fast wireless charging. Even faster than the official magnetic charger. Oh yeah. Of course, we will need an 18 watt plus PD or QC charger required. And then the ESR is ready in 2.5 hours. The official one is in 2.5 hours only at 80%. That's awesome. There comes a better design with a long cable to use this recharging port while we are, for example, gaming or having a Face ID call or do other thing. And this is possible with the long 5 feet cable. We have a removable USB-C plug. That means we do not have to recharge our phone on all the day long, no prop. We can disconnect the USB-C plug and then we can use it as standalone version. And it's a low profile kickstand. So we can use it as pad, as upward kickstand or side kickstand. The material is made out aluminium alloy shell and aluminium alloy kickstand plus an acrylic cover. The input is 5 volt 3 ampere or 9 volt 2 ampere. For this you will need a standard charging device, or of course better is a fast charge device. Or you can use, for example, your computer system or other USB devices, like a power bank, for example. Output comes 7.5 watt for iPhone 13 and 12 series. And I tested it. The 11 series is reloading on that pad too, but without that magnetic shield. It comes with a premium feeling. High quality aluminium body gives the sleek and stylish design a modern finish. Wireless charging creates heat, but the shell of this wireless charger is made of aluminium, which effectively dissipates heat during charging. These products our phone or protects our phone from overheating. It's offering us a safe charging experience. The wireless charger has no power storage function and only charge while the cable is plugged in, but it can still be used as a kickstand while unplugged. The magnetic attraction is strong and will allow us to easily connect our phone and securely snap the phone onto the wireless charger. The charger can be used with caseless iPhone 13 and 12 series phones and iPhone 13 and 12 series phones with a MagSafe-Compatible or HaloLock case, or an iPhone 13 or 12 series phone with a standard case and a HaloLock universal ring. The attraction may not be as strong if using the charger with other cases, but it will work because it's strong enough to it. But maybe it will not connect so good like on the MagSafe compatible device itself. This is easy. Plug it in, get your smartphone in the in the nearly zone of this HaloLock kickstand, and the kickstand will automatically connect to your iPhone. It's magic and it's wonderful. I'm using it every day for my smartphones here. This is the really awesome ESR HaloLock kickstand, and it's easy to connect and of course easy to remove. Slide it a little bit sideward and it will let your iPhone unleashed immediately. It it makes a really good job and it looks really nice because it is so beautiful with this aluminium style finish. The MagSafe is compatible charger for iPhone 13, 13 Pro, and the 12 series too. It comes with a removable cable and it's available in black and white. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.